These are all my pineapple guavas harvested this morning. And I really did a little campaign on Instagram to try to get a local restaurant, Fig. If you're out there watching Fig, and the chef and the restaurant manager never contacted me, and I wanted them to put something on the menu for the late bloomer garden pineapple guavas, since this is the last season. But hopefully I'll grow pineapple guavas again.
El asiento que tiene.
Ese banquito se no sé si para hacer segundo.
The spider mites too. Gosh, spider mites are everywhere. Oh, did this fall over? Oh, this was pretty yesterday.
This is going too, no?
No, not that one. That one.
This?
Yeah.
Ahí mismo. Ahí queda el regreso. Buenos días.
I am intoxicated from the smell of lemongrass. Now this lemongrass was getting up to be 8 feet tall, and one of her recommendations was to cut it back so we could see the orange tree from the inside of the yard. So what we're going to do is the top of these chips won't go to waste. They're going on top of the pineapple guavas, and the pineapple guavas are staying because she said people love the privacy screen of having the guavas in the parkway. So they get a pass. Are you finding a lot of roots?
Right here.
Oh, there are more over here?
A lot.
Oh.
Right here, no.
Not so much
No,
here?
no. No. Little bit.
Which root is that? Is that the birch tree? Looks like it's going that way. Yeah. Birch tree is red roots, right? Yeah. So you can see, this is an example of one of the birch roots. They tend to be reddish skin. How do you want to do it? Do you want to level it? Do we move the dirt? What should we do?
We need to loosen.
Spread it out?
Yeah.
We're going to put bark on top of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me remove it.
Okay. Another thing that's going on today is I'm shipping a bunch of all of my son Walker's stuff to Austin, Texas, where he is traveling to move there. And so I have a semi tractor trailer coming in 2 hours to pick that up. But first, I have to run down and get 15 bags of walk-on bark. Hey everyone, I'm coming to you from a building supply store in Santa Monica called Bourget Brothers. And I just loaded up my car with 15 bags of walk-on bark and 4 bags of decomposed granite.
This is the root, the top. This is the bottom. See? Clean.
Huh.
Bottom.
Wow. So it was all one piece?
One piece.
Oh my.
Oh, like that.
Oh, so it
piece.
was perfect.
Like this. See, I took it out.
Ah.
Yeah.
I thought maybe the roots did that.
No.
Yeah.
I take it.
Yeah. Well, it's looking like it looked about 3 years ago. 4 years ago.
We need to move back and forth, clean it up.
Okay. Kind of fold that chair up if you want. That blue one. Sorry. Eric, did you get all the DG?
Oh.
You got it all?
Oh, yeah.
Now this is very annoying because I was just at the Smith Pipe and Supply and I did not get a cap to cap off this water. So we're gonna have to find one somewhere.
Okay. All around.
Do 4 of those. We haven't done it in a long time. All the way around. Spread it around.
4 like this?
Uh-huh. But spread it.
4.
Yeah.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Little bit here?
Yeah, all the way.
Hello.
Oh, boy. I'm gonna eat the last 2 bites of my corn for 2019 Late Bloomer 1.0 garden. This is it right here. Wow, that is so stuffed.
See?
Oh, I know. Those are the 4 o'clock. The problem is this, because it's draped over and there's no support. Oh wait, we're not ready. You have to get that stuff out. Oh, and the bees. Yeah. Okay. In fact, you can hear them. They go from. You know, you might. I don't want to. Will the metal guy want this fencing, Eric?
Yeah.
Trim the whole thing. Well, no, just like right there. But I don't think it's the birch tree. I think it's the. Actually, it could be the lemon verbena. I want to be able to see what you're doing. So you almost have to stand where that green thing is. Can I just stand and... Yeah. Yeah. This has to come down.
Very close. I have a one in the car. The rosa, the small.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks nice. Where are we at? Oh, that mound over there. Because I think that dirt needs to go inside that thing a little bit.
Okay.
Oh. I don't think.
Take it from here.
Yeah, I'm not sure we should take those two out. I was thinking of taking those.
No, but it's in my way. I need to dig in here.
Oh, yeah, okay,
So I
sure.
put it back?
No,
Put it
no.
back.
No. If it's in your way, take it out.
Whiskey.
Day one.
Whoa.
Ready?
Why are we laughing?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm sad.
Ready?
That was it.
Wait, was that a video or a picture?
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh, it's video, no.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.